Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add row in Confluence table. First, go ahead and log in to your account. Once inside your dashboard, on the left panel, select the space where you want or where your table is. Now in here, you can go ahead and click on the create button at the top and then select on page where you will be adding your table. Now, here, to add in a table, on the upper ribbon, you can click on this table icon or the arrow beside it so you can choose the number of columns and rows that you want to add. Once you have your table, to add in a row if you want to have another one, what you need to do is to hover your cursor on the end row and then you will see a plus sign button wherein you can insert another row. So just go ahead and click on that. And there you have it. You will be able to have another row on your table. You can go ahead and add as much as you want. And that's just basically it. That's how you add a row in Confluence table. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.